Hi. I just learned something so cool. A cool way to select images here. Look at this. Okay. Um. So what I did was, let me just take it back. So what I did was something so interesting. So you see in the background. Uh. Okay. Hey, what? So what I did was the lights have gone by the.
Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
What I did was I select subject. So I pressed W and then came here, clicked select subject, and it selected the subject. Then for some reason I started thinking about the letter Q. So I clicked the background and then I clicked Q. And boom, like that the car has been selected. And you can just brush like this. So you just do like this or however you want. Or I pressed Q again and then it brings this. And then I delete this because I added it by accident. Click here and then boom, the car has been selected. And then now you can use it. So cool.
Click on what? Hey, let me just show you.